The supply dashboard in Insight. Insight, UNICEF's performance management system, provides timely and accurate information across the organization via a single point of entry, the intranet. The supply dashboard in Insight can be accessed from the Scorecards dashboard menu on the Insight homepage. Within the supply dashboard, staff view supply and logistics key figures for the regions, as well as graphical information related to supply processes that are automatically generated by the system and typically refreshed every 24 hours from UNICEF's operational and program databases. In this first presentation, we explore the key features and components of the supply dashboard as it relates to service contracting and treat with the following questions. What is service contracting? Where is the service contracting module located? Which vision reports are used in the service contracting module, and what are some of the very basic features of the screen layout with which you should become familiar? An institutional service contract is any work, duty, or labor performed by a vendor based on a contract issued by UNICEF. To better understand what is seen in the service contracting module of the supply dashboard, there are some points to bear in mind. Contracting for services is recognized as a different stream from that of goods. Services vary widely. These may include third-party consultancies, utilities, services such as construction, transport services, or surveys for operational and/or program purposes. Contracting for services at UNICEF involves different stages with which you should already be familiar. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with these before using the dashboard. We'll be looking at how the supply dashboard in Insight captures those stages, the steps that may already be in action, and any steps that require action. The Service Contracting module appears under the Procurement tab in the main menu of the Supply dashboard. This will give you access to the dashboards. When you access the Service Contracting module, you will notice some information displayed to the top left corner. This details your current view, whether global, regional, or country, the year in which the requisition or contract was originally issued or created, as well as the exact vision reports used to generate the data that you see. You will notice that information is consolidated from the following document types: ZCOR, i.e. corporate contracts issued by headquarters; ZLCO, local contracts issued from country offices; ZOPR, operational leases; and ZPPO, prepayment orders. These are the four main document types used in the Service Contracting module. On the right corner of the screen, you can verify when the vision data you are currently viewing was last updated or refreshed. You may also print the information captured on screen. To the far right of the page, in every view, you will see the Parameters menu. You may use this to select and to apply parameters to vision data. Use the Parameters menu to customize your searches by region, country, and document year. Regardless of whether you are considering service contracts at the global, regional, or the country levels, there are 4 main headers that always appear at the top of each view. These 4 boxes mainly illustrate the volume, nature, and value of service contracts at different stages, and can easily signal that action is required from those managing the contract. The information contained in the headers will change depending on the view that you are in, becoming more specific as you move from global to regional to country level. If we look at them in more detail, the first box shows the value and number of service contracts that have been issued for the year. The second, the number of open service requisitions, that is, requisitions that do not yet have a contract issued against them. There is also an indication of the percentage of requisitions for which the grant has already expired or is expected to expire in 90 days. The third shows the nature of the service material groups with highest procurement value. The fourth, the number of expired contracts that are still open in vision and the total remaining balance. This is designed to help you to be mindful of the validity of your contracts and of the funds left in your contracts after the validity ends. Beneath the 4 main headers on each view, there are 4 expanded graphs which provide further details. We will look at these in more detail by going through the different views available to you in the next presentation. When you are ready, move on to presentation.